Why did you click on this video? Seriously, was it curiosity, a challenge? Did the title play a trick on your mind? Or are you just desperately searching for answer? Are you trying to figure out why your videos aren't blowing up? Why your subscriber count feels frozen? Why your content, your blood, your sweat, and sleepless nights is barely making a ripple in the ocean of YouTube? Does it feel like the algorithm hates you? Like no matter how hard you try, you're just stuck. Welcome to the reality of growing on YouTube. You don't tell me this in the success stories, the viral video, the overnight millionaires, because I don't gatekeep. Today, I'm going to tell you what they won't tell you. I'm going to reveal the raw, unfiltered truth. And by the end of this video, you'll either be more determined than ever or you quit YouTube for good and never look back. Without further ado, let's begin. I want you to picture your dream versus your reality. Remember when you first started your journey, the excitement, the vision, you imagine hitting record, speaking your truth, and waking up to thousands, maybe millions of people watching and cheering for you. Then reality hit. You posted, and there's silence. You posted again, still nothing. And that's where most people give up, because nobody tells you the truth about this journey. YouTube is like climbing a mountain barefoot in the rain, and most people never reach the top. Most people get stuck. Let's talk about scripting. There are times you sit and you pour your heart, your soul, your ideas, your creativity into a video, and then nothing comes up. The head feels blank. The blank page stares at you. It mocks at you. And you keep wondering, what should I say? How do I hook people? And the little idea you've come up with, you keep wondering, is this even interesting enough? You overthink, you doubt, you rewrite, you delete. Meanwhile, some guy just ate a burger and got millions of views. Trust me, it's frustrating, right? But scripting is an art. It's not just some random words you pick and gather together. It's storytelling. It's psychology. It's holding attention in a world that moves faster than ever. And if you can't master that, good luck. After scripting, there is another challenge, the equipment trap, which is about filming. Oh, you thought you could just use your phone, right? Everyone on the internet says, use your phone. I just use my phone to film. Like right now with this video, I'm using my phone. But let me tell you what nobody tells you. You can actually use your phone to film and produce quality videos. But then when you see other creators with crisp, cinematic shots, flawless lighting, and angles that make Hollywood jealous, and suddenly your videos look like they were shot on a potato. And then you start thinking, maybe I need a camera, maybe I need a mic, maybe I need a ring light, oh, maybe I need a studio. And before you know it, you're hundreds, you're thousands of dollars in. And with all of this, you're still struggling to even get your mom to like your video, because it's never been about the gear. It's never been about the type of equipment you use to film. It's about how you use it. Some creators have a full-blown setup and still fail. Others film with just a phone and they blow up. Now, this is a mindset sheet. Maybe it's not about what you have. Maybe it's about how you tell your story. Let's say you finally mastered storytelling. You know how to script, you know how to film, you know how to tell a pure and engaging story. Now comes editing. Oh, editing? With editing, you take hours, you take days, cutting, tweaking, adding text, fixing audio, color correcting and searching for the perfect music. And then you start to wonder, do big YouTubers really do this themselves? No, they outsource. But when you're starting out, it's all about you. And the worst part is, even after all that effort, your videos might still flop. And when you're done editing, you meet the invisible gatekeeper. And yes, it's the almighty algorithm. Some days it's your best friend, other days it's cruel, it's unforgiving. It's that unforgiving judge that decides your fate. One video gets pushed and another video, maybe a better one, gets buried. And you sit there wondering, what did I do wrong? Well, nobody knows. Maybe you actually did something wrong. Now it's time to confess. Not even YouTube knows what you did wrong. I'm telling you, because the algorithm isn't about fairness. It's about attention. And if your video doesn't grab that attention fast, it's game over. If it even happens that the algorithm is on your side, do you know the silent killer? Consistency. Consistency is a silent killer. You've heard it before. Post every week, post every day, post every now and then. But what they don't tell you is how hard it is to stay consistent, especially when you see no results. When you pour in effort and nobody watches. When your videos get fewer views than the number of people in your family. When your channel feels like a ghost town. Winning is one of the biggest motivations to keep you going. But what about when you're losing? That's when most people quit. And you know, the right question someone can ask me is why I haven't quit YouTube, why I'm still pushing. Because my account really looks like a ghost town. At the time I'm making this video, trust me, I don't even know who is gonna see it because the account is as dry. In fact, let's continue. If your video gets traction, YouTube has another surprise for you. Copyright claims. Just use a song you thought was copyright free. Claimed. React to a clip. Claimed. Say something controversial. Just there. Demonetized. YouTube doesn't care if it was a mistake. They just take your money and guess what? There's nothing you can do about it. Nothing. Or let's say you finally make it, you get monetized and now you're making money. Then one day, boom, your videos get flat. Your revenue drops, or worse, your channel gets demonetized just like that. Months, years of effort gone. And YouTube would even tell you why. It happens to some people. Now let's look at why most people fail. Why am I telling you all this? It's because I want you to quit. Yes, I want you to quit. If you're not ready for the fight, because YouTube isn't for the weak, it's for the relentless, it's for the obsessed. YouTube is for the ones who keep going even when everything tells them to stop. But if you're waiting for overnight success, for a magic trick, for a shortcut, then do yourself a favor and quit now. Pack your bags and leave. But if you're still here, if something inside you refuses to give up, then congratulations, because that's the first sign. Not because it's easy, but because you won't stop until you win. The struggles are real, the journey is brutal, but the ones who keep pushing, the ones who learn, the ones who are there and never quit, they are the ones who make it to the top. So what will you do? Quit or keep going? This isn't a motivational speech, this is the truth. And now the choice is yours. Will you be another YouTuber dropout, or you'll be the one who proves everyone wrong? If you're ready for the fight, hit that subscribe button because this is just the beginning.